Traveling as a senior over 70 can be incredibly rewarding, but it comes with unique challenges. These unexpected travel hacks will help you stay comfortable, save money, and make unforgettable memories. Let's dive into practical tips tailored for you. First, prioritize lightweight luggage. Opt for a suitcase weighing under 10 pounds. Look for four-wheeler spinner bags, easier to maneuver than two-wheelers. Pack versatile clothing like merino wool tops. They're breathable, odor-resistant, and work in multiple climates. Limit yourself to 3 pairs of shoes. One comfy walking pair, one for dressier occasions, and slip-on sandals for warm destinations. Use packing cubes to organize and compress clothes, saving space. Next, leverage technology for ease. Download offline maps on Google Maps before you go. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Use apps like Roam to Rio to compare transport options, bus, train, or rideshare in real time. For accessibility, apps like Access Now highlight wheelchair-friendly restaurants and attractions. Keep a portable charger with at least 10,000 mAh to ensure your phone stays powered during long days out. Medications are critical. Pack a 50% buffer of your prescriptions in case of delays. Split them between carry-on and checked luggage to avoid losing everything if a bag goes missing. Use a pill organizer with clear labels and carry a doctor's note for controlled substances. Research pharmacies at your destination. Walgreens equivalents exist in many countries under different names, like Boots in the UK. Air travel can be taxing, so book smart. Choose flights with longer layovers, 90 minutes minimum to avoid rushing. Request a wheelchair escort at the airport. It's free and skips long lines. Pre-book an aisle seat near the front for easier bathroom access. Bring a reusable water bottle and ask flight attendants to fill it. Hydration fights fatigue. Noise-canceling earbuds, like those from Anchor, under $50, block crying babies and engine hum. Cruises are a senior-friendly option, but pick the right one. Smaller ships, under 1,000 passengers, feel less crowded and dock at easier-to-navigate ports. Avoid megaships with overwhelming activities. Book a cabin midship on a lower deck to minimize motion sickness. Many cruise lines, like Viking, offer all-inclusive packages with medical staff on board, perfect for peace of mind. For accommodations, prioritize accessibility. Use Booking.com's filters to find hotels with step-free entrances or elevators. Call ahead to confirm accessible rooms meet your needs. Some listings exaggerate. Airbnb can be hit or miss, so stick to hosts with verified photos and accessibility reviews. If mobility is a concern, request ground floor rooms or those near elevators. Dining abroad doesn't have to be daunting. Research menus online to avoid surprises. Apps like Happy Cow find restaurants catering to dietary needs, like gluten-free or low-sodium options. Carry a small card in the local language listing allergies or restrictions. Google Translate can generate this. Eat early, around 5 p.m., to avoid crowds and get better service. Stay safe with subtle precautions. Wear a money belt under your shirt for cash and cards, not a fanny pack. It screams tourist. Use RFID blocking wallets to prevent digital pickpocketing. Share your itinerary with family and enable phone location sharing via apps like Find My iPhone. In crowded areas, keep bags in front of you, ideally crossbody styles with slash-proof straps. Pace yourself to avoid burnout. Plan one major activity per day, say a morning museum visit, then relax in the afternoon. Use hop-on, hop-off buses in cities like Paris or Lisbon. They hit key sites without exhausting walks. If stairs are tough, seek out ramps or escalators. Most major attractions now list these on their websites. Save money without sacrificing fun. Look for senior discounts. Museums, trains, and even restaurants often offer 10–20% off for those over 65, but you have to ask. Travel off-season, like April or October, for cheaper flights and thinner crowds. Consider multi-generational trips. Some resorts give discounts if you book with grandkids, blending family time with savings. Health precautions are non-negotiable. Pack a small first aid kit, Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and anti-diarrheal meds. Check CDC travel advisories for vaccinations. Some destinations require boosters like yellow fever. Wear compression socks on long flights to reduce swelling. If you use a mobility aid, like a cane, get a foldable one for tight spaces like train aisles. Connect with locals for richer experiences. Join free walking tours designed for slower paces. Check Viator for senior-friendly options. Many cities have community centers or libraries hosting free cultural events, like tea ceremonies in Japan or flamenco in Spain. Chat with guides or shopkeepers. They often share hidden gems not in guidebooks. Solo travel is empowering but requires extra prep. Join group tours for half-day outings to meet others without committing your whole trip. Companies like Road Scholar specialize in educational trips for seniors, blending learning with camaraderie. Carry a whistle or personal alarm for emergencies. It's small but effective. For long-term travel, consider slow travel. Spend a month in one city, like Florence or Chiang Mai, renting an apartment. It's cheaper than hopping hotels, and you'll feel like a local. Use platforms like Trusted House Sitters to swap pet sitting for free stays. Low effort if you love animals. Finally, mindset matters. Embrace flexibility. If a tour gets canceled, find a nearby cafe and people watch. Document your trip with a small journal or voice memos. They're lighter than photo albums and spark memories later. Travel isn't about checking boxes. It's about savoring moments. Whether it's a sunset in Santorini or a quiet park bench in Kyoto. These hacks, light packing, tech tools, accessibility checks, and pacing make travel not just doable but delightful. You're not just a senior. You're an explorer with wisdom and stories to share. Wherever you're headed, these tips will help you travel smarter, safer, and with a smile.